everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change email on Thinkific. To change your email on Thinkific, first of all open up the Thinkific application and log into your account. Now from the home page, tap on your name initial at the top right. This will then open up your profile. Your email address that you've registered with will be displayed right underneath your username. To change your email, click Open My Information drop-down. Now select Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile page, scroll down and tap on Email. Erase your current email and type in a new one you want to replace with. After you type down your email, scroll all the way down and tap on Save Changes. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your email on Thinkific. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.